We got a lot to go over today, alright? As you can see, I look like a pro trader right now. Banged out 2 trades. No. These are on paper. Because I cannot hit the damn button, bro. Alright, let's go over it. And let's understand what happened today. So, I hit 2 trades on paper. Of course. Nothing on the accounts. But this is what we were doing. So, going into the 4-hour. Beautiful, didn't change. 4-hour all-time highs. Reading this, I'm seeing, okay, we fade these equal lows, leaving for later. That's okay. We come up, disrespect this gap. Easy. This is going to be our next high that we take. We do that. Bang. We take the high. We get closure over this high, which is like, okay. So maybe we see higher movement. No, we get a push down into a 1-hour gap. And then we disrespect that. Easy. We're coming up to this high. Bang. Take out this high. So what are we doing now? We're kind of at all-time highs, right? Thinking longs. But then you look at the 1-hour and you see on NQ, there was 1-hour equal lows and 30-minute equal lows as well. So there was a lot of pretty nice looking liquidity below us for shorts today. Again, also with this the 1-hour, come up here, take this low, we don't get closure above this low. Okay, where are we going now? This high. Take this high, don't get closure above it. Where are we going to go now? Probably this low. We leave this low for later, go up higher, take this high out, don't get closure. Still, we're moving up, take this high. Bang. Take this high, what are we going to see now? Possible rejection, lower. So my initial one was right here. Target was highs, and then we had a bunch of lows below us. Session lows, equal lows, all that good jazz below us that I would have loved to see and get hit if I wanted to see shorts today. But I was really keen on longs because of the all-time highs, and that's kind of this fear that I'm talking about. That I kind of get this analysis fear that, like, we're going to, there's something else that on the markets that's telling me opposite, but I need to just get over that, So let's get into the day. Here is the session lows right here, and kind of just go over what I thought was going to happen. But not that much marking out. But this is what I wanted to see happen for shorts. I wanted to see it push up into this gap, potentially taking out this high, and then come down to session lows. For longs, I wanted to see a session low sweep, and then set up for longs. So let's get into it. Market open. Just kidding. Bang. We tap into this gap. Market open. Sweep this low. Bang. This is the setup. This is the setup, right? Get a beautiful 2-minute range to form. Scale into the 1. See what we can make happen. Okay, we take out London. Fine. Still have Asia. Do we get that push that we need? Yes, we do. Tap into this gap, respects it. Okay. Finally get that tap into EQ. And we get a beautiful IFEG. Now, why didn't I take this? Why did I take this on my actual accounts? Mainly because all-time highs, we were near it. I was scared to take shorts. And we were right below Asia lows. We could have totally just rejected off Asia lows. So this was this analysis. I don't know if it's analysis like paralysis or what, but like this fear that there's kind of always something that's going to tell you that you're wrong, right? But you just got to be able to trust your setup that it works and be able to play with it, like play into that, That's loud. So 1-to-1, just like this. That's what I did on paper. Why wouldn't I have done something like this? Maybe that's just terrible RR, and in my opinion, not worth it. So this is the first trade I took on paper. Freest trade I think I've ever taken, right? and we just flushed that. So I was kind of getting a little bit like, ugh, pretty mad, and I kind of just got off the charts. And I logged off my paper. I logged off my funded accounts, logged off all that stuff, and just went to paper to forward test. Um, so we see a come down, a sweep of this low, and now we're rejecting. What did we reject off of? Great question. I don't really know either, but we had this big CE of this rejection block, 30-minute rejection block get hit, I think, or close to it. But mainly, the main thing that we rejected off of was the 0.35 of standard deviation. What the heck? Swear we rejected off of it. Maybe I'm tripping, but this was a rejection I saw, and I like to see. We reswept lows. Going into that 2-minute chart. Beautiful push on that 2-minute chart. Now what are we looking for? A pullback. What do we get? Just that. I'm sitting on this market. I'm like, okay. I'm liking this. We tap OT to the dime, I tell you, to the absolute tick. And then we get a push above this gap. Now, I'm sitting on this chart and I'm thinking, well, what you gonna do, huh? Are you gonna take this on your actual accounts, or are you gonna fade it again like the last one? I faded it. Why? Because we weren't really rejecting off anything that made sense to me. There weren't really any conditions, but this was my setup. My targets were taken out, but not really. This is a great target. This is a low-hanging fruit, right? I think that's what you call it. It's a great target. But for some reason, I was just like, no, this is just not going to happen. I'm not taking this trade. And lo and behold, we just play out. Break even was somewhere in here. I think I just break even right there. But can we hit? There we go. And bang. Banged out. 1 to 2 RR, 1 to 1 RR, 1 to 3 on the day. I just don't know why I can't get past this, like, kind of analysis fear that something's proving me wrong. You know, there's always something that's going to prove me wrong and lose me on the trade. I just got to be able to build confidence that my setups work, and that I'm right. You know, going to the market, there is uncertainty, right? You never know. Never a trade is 100%. So, yeah, that's really all I got for today. Today was a beautiful day, in my opinion. We had beautiful price action, and I just didn't take advantage of that at all. I was doing some back testing, as you can see, but these were my conditions that I set. I wanted to see a push up into this gap, potentially going lower, but we did take off this high, and we got that perfect condition. Asia low got passed, got pushed through pretty heavily, but still we got that long. And yeah, it was just so annoying. Like, ugh. But it's okay. We always got tomorrow. There's always another day. Why do I do this dumb stuff? All my targets got hit, so I just got off. No L. Still 1 for 1 in the month. Just come back stronger tomorrow and get after it. News tomorrow. Looking pretty clean. We don't really got anything. So, if you did take anything today, you know, as I always say, look at that. Look at that take profit, though. Come on. Look at that TP. Perfect. Perfect. But, you know, as I always say, if you took a win, great on you. You learned from it. If you took a L, learn from it. If you didn't trade like me, learn from it like I am right now. I am learning on why I can't hit the button when other chart factors come into play. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this one, you already know what to do. So, boy out. And if not that, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow.